How to create a playlist on YouTube. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you on the steps on how you can create a playlist on your YouTube application. So in order to start, the first thing that you'll be going to do is simply launch your Facebook application by tapping onto the app icon. And now once you're inside Facebook, you'll need to click onto your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply click over to the profile picture, and from here you will see this playlists option. Now these two are the default playlists that we get from YouTube, which is watch later and like videos. So in order to create a new playlist, you can simply click onto this plus icon, and from here you can choose a title. So from here let me choose a quick title, and then you have this visibility option. So if you want it to be a private playlist, you can choose private, that can be only viewed by you, or if you want an unlisted playlist that you can share with a link, then you can choose unlisted, or if you want a public playlist you can do that as well, which anyone can search for and view. So I'm gonna go with the private option, and then you also have this collaborate option as well, but it won't work if your visibility is private. So you can simply click onto this create option, and now you can see that your playlist one has been successfully created, and you can refresh this particular profile page and it will appear right here. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.